Hi everyone. This lecture video is a quick introduction to section 6.4. I have written down a problem here. It asks you what z-value has an area of 0.0038 to its left. A z-value is a z-score. Z-scores are associated with the standard normal distribution. That is a distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So I have some z-value. I don't really know where it is. I'm just going to write down z. What am I told about the z-value? I'm told that it has an area of 0.0038 to its left. So all of this area to the left of this guy, that area is equal to 0.0038. This question is asking us to find this z-value. This question is not like the problems we encountered in 6.2 and 6.4. In those sections, we were looking for area to the left or to the right of some value, or area between two random variable values, or it was asking us probability questions, right? This question is not asking you anything like that. This is asking you for a value of a random variable associated with area. In order to find this z-value, we will have to make use of a new graphing calculator command. That graphing calculator command is invNorm. So, to access this invNorm command, you will have to hit the second button and then click on the vars button and scroll on down to invNorm. The inputs for invNorm, not all of you will have these inputs. I will have this on my calculator. The inputs are usually the following. You need to always enter the area to the left of your value, followed by the mean of your standard deviation. The mean of your normal distribution, and then the standard deviation of that normal distribution. Going back to our problem, a z-value, that's a z-score, that is associated with the standard normal distribution. The area to the left of that z-value is 0.0038. So in order to find the z-value, I will do the following. I will use that invNorm command, and I will enter in the area to the left of that z-value, followed by the mean and the standard deviation. When you are working with the standard normal distribution, you do not have to enter in this mean and this standard deviation as I did here. I'm going to do this anyway for all of our problems, as it is just a good habit for when we are working with problems that do not have the standard normal distribution. So just to show you what that looks like on the graphing calculator, at least on my graphing calculator, I will hit that second key, click on vars, scroll on down to invNorm. I will enter in the area to the left of my value, followed by the mean and the standard deviation, separated by commas. And then I will hit enter. Normally, these types of problems will ask you to round. Let's suppose that we rounded to 2 decimal places. So my answer for this is negative 2.67. So this tells me the following, that my z is approximately negative 2.67. And this is my answer. So quick thing here before I end this video. In order to find a random variable value associated with area of the normal distribution, you must use the invNorm command. I will say that one more time. In order to find a random variable value associated with area of the normal distribution, you will be using the invNorm command. Okay, everyone. I will see you in our Zoom session today at 7 p.m.